Hey everyone, so here's Peekaboo app. This app is Wizz app alternative. Wizz app for some reason right now is literally removed from the app store for some reason. In their Instagram stories, they write that this is some kind of technical glitch, but seems it's a bit longer because they were removed on 31st of January. So there is a new alternative in top charts. It's called Peekaboo. Make new friends, literally very similar app, but it's still in the early stages of development. It's getting a lot of traction, but it needs still some improvements. But if you just want to try it out, so let's just jump into it. So here is the app. It's very minimalistic, easy to use. You just create your account and then you can just add your Snapchat username, and then you created your account. Then you just need to swipe through meeting people. Just tap to the meet tab, and then you can just see all the accounts there. Then you can just swipe. For some reason, it's not possible to filter out people who are like by gender or by location, so you can just see all kinds of profiles, and that's it. It also will be just situated where you are in the country, but you can filter out like 100 kilometers, 50 kilometers around you. And this is app, this mostly, it's not like Tinder, it's mostly like for finding friends online, for chats, especially for teenagers. But yeah, of course, you should be quite careful, I would say, with this kind of online apps, because sometimes there can be weird people here. Of course, like this app passed verification for the app store, but then let's see how it develops. So I'm just telling you, like, be careful. Just chat with only with verified people, and even then, just be careful. So, and then, yeah, you can just go and try to send a message someone. If you try to send a message, you can send a super like, which is, it will appear in the top of their chats, standard message, and then you can send a bulk message, which is like a lot of messages at once. But yeah, then you can just go to profile, and then if you want to reveal Snapchat username, you need to pay for $10 per week here. So you just need to pay for $10 and then just upgrade. And then if you don't like the conversation, you can delete it here. If you go here, you can in your account in top right, you can get verified badge and get verified. Then if you're concerned about your privacy, you can just tap delete account. You can try to reach out to help. This button doesn't work, by the way. And then you need to add at least like 3 photos to have access to more features. So that's basically it. If you want to boost your profile as well and appear in top views for other people, you can just tap unlock button and just get 1 boost per week for $10 per week. So you can also try that. So yeah, that's basically what it is. That's how you upgrade to Peekaboo Plus. And that's it. Like, this app is in active development. It's not like doesn't have all the super cool features of Wizz, but it's a nice start. It doesn't have yet that many users. Only maybe in US there are more people, but yeah, give it a try. Also, I'm not sure if it's available on Google Play Store at the moment. I think, yeah, maybe it's only on iOS.